Hi everyone, I'm a student from Durmapress. Nice to meet you. Today I will introduce you our new press bag. It's for electrical press bag. First of all, we can see it. The shape of the press bag is very small because the weight is 8 tons and the length is 800 millimeters. So it only can fold the thin and short sheet steel. The biggest difference between this for electrical press bag and the other hydraulic press bag. This for electric press bag operates without hydraulic oil. It is driven by electrical cylinder and also it is driven by a servo motor, consuming minimal power for energy efficient operation, saving over 50% compared to hydraulic motors. And also this for electrical press bag. The price is very beautiful, such a cost-effective and energy efficient. Do you like it? If you want to learn more, please contact me. See you next time. Goodbye.